Okay, 3 minutes left to go, and I ran out of my 15 minutes on the last one. Here's the rest of this lesson. We just finished off with the zero slope is perpendicular to an undefined slope. So if this was a y equals -2, the undefined or perpendicular line has to be x equals 2. Only because it goes through, x equals 5. Not 2, because it goes through x equals 5 on this. Okay, parallel and perpendicular lines. This line right here with the double lines in it is a parallel line symbol. So the way you read this is a line AB is parallel to line CD. On this one, the upside down T is perpendicular. So line EF is perpendicular to line GH. It has that symbol in there. Also, we talked about how two non-vertical lines are perpendicular if the product of their slopes is -1. Alright, so now we're going to check and see if you can do this. So we've got this graph that shows the diagonals of a rectangle. Determine whether JL is perpendicular to KM. So this is the last part of it, what I want you to do. You're going to go and figure out if these diagonals are perpendicular to each other. And the way that you figure that out is you figure out the slopes of these and then compare them and see if they're perpendicular. Again, they should be negative reciprocals. So line segment JL starts at 2, 6. And it ends at 6, 1. Line MK has an endpoint at 2, 1 and at 6, 6. So pause this right now and see if you can do the slope calculations on your paper and tell me if it's perpendicular or not. Really, pause it. See if you can try it first. See you in a bit. Okay, you back? So let's check this. The slope of this one is 6 minus 1 over 2 minus 6. The y's above the x's, the differences. Okay, so I did 6 minus 1, and then I did 2 minus 6. Okay, the slope of the other one, so I called this my point 1 and this my point 2. I'm going to call this my point 1, this one my point 2. So that means this is y. This is x1. This is y x2. This is y2. This is x1, y1. So it'll be 6 minus 1 over 6 minus 2. Okay, so let's check that we did this right. The first one for JL, I did 6 minus 1. Got that. Then 2 minus 6. Got it. The next one, I chose to do 6 minus 1. Got it. And then 6 minus 2. Got it. Okay, so now this is 5 over 4. It's negative. This one is 5 over 4. It's positive. So these are not perpendicular, are they? They're not parallel. They're not perpendicular because they both have 5/4 in them, but one is negative and one is positive. If they were perpendicular, it would have been negative 5/4 and 4/5. Sorry, 4/5. Okay, so this one is not perpendicular. So this one is neither. Not perpendicular, and if you want to get fancy, you put not upside down T. Alright, so your assignment for today is in the lap, but it's also page 243, numbers 12, 15, 17, 18, 20, 24, they go pretty fast, 25, 33, 35, 38, and 39. So if you're in the class that I'm not here for, please be sure to get this done so we can grade it when you return. Have a great day.